Hey guys, my name is Vlada and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I designed my diary for July. The main theme for July is unusual for summer. It's medieval. The color scheme is orange, blue and brown. This style of design was inspired by a game called Potion Craft. So in my design I also use a lot of potions to decorate the spreads. On the title page I wanted to draw an alchemy lab with a cauldron in the middle of the room, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I realized that I don't have enough brush pens in light shades, and it would have been better to make this spread a bit lighter, but anyway, I'm happy with the result. There are many types of fire on the drawing. I like the idea of making the fire both blue and orange. It looks beautiful and unusual. There are a few basic textures in the drawing. I paint the wood in brown and then use 005 liner to add wood veins. On smooth surfaces I add speckles of the same color to make the surface appear ribbed. After the color work is ready, we move on to contouring. Large objects such as furniture, window and large dishes I contour with liner 03, and small potions, details on objects with liner 005. At the end I decorate a brick wall which gives the lab a cozy feeling. I decided to make the floor out of craft paper. It suits well in color and texture, but I didn't take into account that liners and brush pens don't lie well on it. So I take the smallest liner and carefully apply the encrypt. This is the hardest font I have ever used. In case anyone is wondering, it is called Old English. And here comes my little helper. Next to the July lettering, I used the 005 liner to draw a calendar for the month and spread is ready. On the next page I want to design a list of plans. This month I will not separate what I want to buy or read. I will make one list for everything. For this I want to make a page from a medieval day planner. On the left will be the bookmarks for the diary from a cutout from the different texture templates. I'll glue them on. After that will be the brown shaped frame of the diary itself, the blue outline, and the sheet itself will be from a wood grain template. The final touch is the title lettering of the plans and potion stickers. On the next spread I will have a sleep tracker. Pretty simple design. There will just be sky and clouds with moon and stars. The color of the month are blue and orange, so I got a blue sky and the orange clouds. Probably not quite like the night sky, but considering that just in July we started having white nights, it's just vertically I have days of the weeks and horizontally I have bedtime and wake up time. At the end I decorate everything with stars and spread is done. On the next page I want to make a spread with a habit tracker. Last month this spread didn't work well for me. I think it's because I chose 9 habits at once. Many of them I didn't make at all. So this month I want to choose 3 habits, but keep tracking of them. The frames I make with 2 extra lines on the sides, the top blue texture, then a tree with coins on it. I glue craft paper on top of the trackers, and I also add stickers with potions with a C and space. On the next spread I will have a travel tracker. I love the system I used last month, so this month it will again be a list of places I want to visit and a calendar to put the trips on. Let's start decorating with the calendar. I am going to make the frame, this time out of craft paper. By the way, a little life hack for those who, like me, ran out of the craft paper. Coffee filters will be a great substitute. First I cut the glue the paper. After that I want to draw this kind of aged map on it. I took the map image from a fantasy book as a basis, but the execution is free, you can make any outline you like. Mainland, islands, rivers and mountains, it all depends only on your imagination. On the page with the list, make a very long and complicated inscription. After that I want to decorate the page with decorative tapes and with this month's colors. Add in a list as well as a windrose to decorate the page. And now decorating the spreads for the week. They will all be decorated in the same way. The separations for the day or the week will be in the style of wooden bookshelves. We decorate the shelves with decorative tapes in blue and orange colors. Then add the week number, 2 stickers for each page, a section for ideas of the week out of craft paper, a list for the weekly menu, and a list of what I'm reading and watching this week. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked some ideas and they inspired you. Have a productive July everyone. Bye.